There goes Sarah. We're going on a trip. Zooming through the sky. Little line stars.
I'm aboard. Ready to explore. There's so much to find.
Little line stars.
I forgot I have to be mean to you. It's in my pocket. Slow ahead.
Dawson, I keep on forgetting that I'm mad at you.
I made them walk in this.
This is the nursery.
Yeah.
I'm mad at you. I don't see any babies and bands. Flowers.
Because it's not in season yet?
Sarah, why are we over here then?
Because it's a nice place to walk. Oh, alpha female bitch!
That just said me when I was trying to have her open the mouth. She's like, alpha female. Oh no, there's a car. Oh no, there's a car. I'll just save them.
Wait, we have to turn around.
What does this say?
Why you know when?
Hey! Woo!
Hi.
What are you waiting at?
It's so peaceful.
It is. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we're going for a walk. As you can see, this is our
The
shadow.
swimming pool in the crawfish.
This is the swimming pool over here.
You're fogging.
And we're acting like old ladies.
Yeah.
Look at these trees.
I remember back
Such swag.
when I got my first telegraph machine. You couldn't get no. There was no selfie Sunday. It said no shut up. It said no telegraph machine. You're so weird.
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. Where